This is a quick video tutorial on how to steam clean a mattress in order to remove bed bugs and bed bug eggs. First, you need to remove all linens from the bed, including covers from pillows, quilting, and sheets. These should all be washed on a hot wash and hot rinse cycle in a washing machine and dried on the highest heat settings. You'll be able to visually inspect your mattress, looking in areas along the piping, edges of the mattress, and where the mattress and box spring meet in order to determine the severity of the bed bugs and their eggs. When steaming, it's best to start with the smallest area and work to the largest, which is the mattress surface. Using a focused nozzle, steam along piping, cracks, and crevices. Also make sure to get in any of the crevices between a pillow top or Euro top mattress. When you're done steaming, it will feel hot to the touch. Once the whole edge of the mattress has been done, switch to the largest attachment available with your steam cleaner. Whenever possible, it is absolutely best to put a towel around the attachment. This helps to trap the heat and transfer it more effectively to the surface. Moving in a moderate pace, you'll be able to transfer that heat without soaking the mattress. This will also not do any damage to foam or other mattress components. Continue to steam the entire mattress surface. The mattress will be hot to the touch. When it cools down, you'll feel that it's quite dry because the steam is a very dry steam. Once the sheets have come out of the dryer, you can redress the bed and proceed to sleep. The benefit of having a steam cleaning system to help with your pest control problems is that you can reapply the treatment as often as necessary and whenever you'd like, to ensure that the bugs and their eggs have been destroyed. It's also advisable that any other surfaces in the room, such as carpets, be steam treated as well. Also look for any crevices around the baseboards and apply steam in the same technique as you did with the piping, using a fine pointed nozzle.